Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet the simple pink floral earrings. It's a very simple and easy pattern. It looks very delicate, worked with size 8 fine crochet thread. The written pattern of this beautiful earrings is available in the description box and in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. For this project I'll be using the size 8 crochet thread. I have reviewed this crochet thread in my channel. I'll update the link of this review video in the description box for you to go and check it out. Then I will be using 1.25mm crochet hook. We'll need scissors and fish hooks or earring hooks for this project. So starting round 1 would be work a magic ring and then work chain 2 double crochet together. So we are going to work double crochet 2 together. Since this is our first double crochet 2 together, we'll work a chain 2 and then work double crochet together, and once that is done, work a chain 2 and then once again work double crochet 2 together in the magic ring followed by chain 2. So for this earrings we'll need 8 sets of double crochet 2 together with in between chain 2 spaces. We have already worked 2 now, so go ahead, work 6 more double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 2 space, and then once you have done working this 8 sets of double crochet 2 together with in between chain 2 spaces, work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 1. So at the end of round 1 we will have 8 sets of double crochet 2 together with in between chain 2 spaces. So continue working round 1. I'll meet you at the end of round 1. So now I am working a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 1, and then once round 1 is complete, tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot, and then we'll proceed working round 2. Before proceeding round 2, work a slip stitch on to the next chain 2 space and then work chain 2 double crochet 3 together. The idea is to work double crochet 4 together. Since this is the first stitch, we're going to start with chain 2 double crochet 3 together, and once that is worked, work a chain 5, and then in the next chain 2 space work double crochet 4 together followed by a chain 5 space, and then go ahead, work double crochet 4 together followed by a chain 5 space in every chain 2 space of round 1, and once that is done, work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 double crochet 3 together to close this round 2. So at the end of round 2 we will have 8 sets of double crochet 4 together with in between chain 5 space. Continue working round 2. I'll meet you at the end of round 2. Here we are at the end of round 2. We are going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting double crochet 4 together, which is chain 2, double crochet 3 together, and then our round 2 is complete. So before proceeding with round 3, work a slip stitch onto the next chain 5 space, and then work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and then work 3 single crochet and then picot stitch. Picot is nothing but chain 3, and then work a slip stitch on the starting stitch. That's called as a picot stitch. And once you have worked a picot stitch, work 3 more single crochet on the same chain 5 space. So we have worked 3 single crochet, picot 3 single crochet on the chain 5 space, and then go ahead, work the same in all the chain 5 spaces around. That is, in every chain 5 space we are going to work 3 single crochet, picot 3 single crochet. So once you continue working like this around, we will work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 3. So this is the last round. So once we have done working this round, we will work a slip stitch, and then you can fasten off, weave your ends. Our earring will be ready. So continue working round 3. I'll meet you at the end of round 3. So here we are at the end of round 3. I am going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet to close this round, and then you can fasten off and weave your ends. So I have completed one of this earring. Go ahead, work one more of this for a pair of earring. You can see now it's not stiff, it's kind of wobbly. As I always tell in my earring tutorial videos, you'll have to block it with one part of glue and one part of water. Dip your work in that and air dry for about a day, so it should stiffen up. So I have detailed blocking instruction in another earring tutorial video. I will update that link in the description box. You can go ahead and see how you block these earrings. Now these earrings are blocked. We will attach this earring hooks to it. I'm going to attach this earring hooks to any of the picot stitches and then tighten the earring hooks. So that's it. Our beautiful pink floral earrings will be ready. Here you go. Our beautiful pink floral earrings is ready. It's such a simple and easy pattern. Very cute and wonderful gift idea. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you want a written pattern of this beautiful earrings, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link of the pattern can be found in the description box. You can find many other fun-free pattern in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. I would like you to try this earring at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.